Listen closely, because what's killing your drive isn't just competition. It's this cold, ruthless mantra that economic efficiency can replace what makes us human. You've felt it, haven't you? That gnawing frustration when every deal, every strategy, every move is reduced to numbers, margins, and efficiency metrics. As if the raw, messy, priceless value of people, their creativity, their pain, their spark, could be squeezed out and replaced by algorithms and bottom lines. It burns. Watching your vision get swallowed by spreadsheets, losing connection to the very pulse that makes your work meaningful. You wake up in the middle of the night thinking, is this all there is? Am I just a cog spinning endlessly in a machine that values speed over soul? Here's the brutal truth most won't tell you. Efficiency is a dangerous siren. Seductive, yes, but it's a trap. It promises growth while starving humanity. It pushes you to cut corners on empathy, to ignore the cracks in your teams, to strip innovation down to what's quantifiable and safe. And in that cold calculus, something inside you screams, this isn't why you started, but you're stuck. You can't just toss efficiency out. Without it, investors freak out. Systems collapse. Pressure mounts. So what now? How do you stop the madness without losing the war? First, stop letting efficiency be an excuse for outsourcing your humanity. Tear down the lie that efficiency means less friction, less feeling, less connection. You build a system where efficiency serves human value, not replaces it. That means pushing beyond the tired frameworks. Go deeper than optimization. Inject vulnerability into your operations. Create spaces where failure is brutal but embraced. Real human value thrives in the tension between chaos and order, not in sterile spreadsheets. Second, obsess over synergy, not just team synergy, but radical connection between founders, investors, leaders who refuse to reduce each other to ROI lines. Seek brutally honest relationships, where the few who dare to think beyond profit find each other. Build these autonomous networks, not just to scale products, but to scale trust, support, and shared ambition that no algorithm can replicate. This is your secret weapon, a collective force that disrupts because it's human first, efficient second. Next, demand meritocracy that's ruthless and real, where the spotlight burns away legacy, status, identity, and leaves only ability and impact. Economic efficiency without meritocracy is just oppression dressed as progress. Create feedback loops so fast and honest they cut through crap and force growth, on every level, from personal to enterprise. Hold your people accountable, but lift them higher by recognizing every step of self-overcoming. This is how you build a culture that feels alive, not lifeless. Also, don't hide behind borders, national myths, or outdated hierarchies. Capitalism is global, brutal, and breathtaking, so operate like it. Think beyond the usual boxes. When you connect with the right minds across continents, you create unpredictable, unstoppable momentum. Borders imprison ideas. Your future demands freedom to think anywhere, act anywhere, be anywhere. Turn globalization into a tool of freedom, not compliance. Finally, embrace capitalism as an instrument to fund the impossible, not the mediocre status quo. Channel your capital like a torch through the darkness of stagnation. Invest in ventures that refuse easy answers, that challenge the limits of human potential. Efficiency isn't the destination. It's the fuel that powers relentless growth toward breakthroughs no one dares imagine yet. So stop waiting for permission to play by new rules. Tear apart the fake freedom the system feeds you. Build the network the world forgot, where few, not many, lead the charge. Fuse efficiency with radical humanity, with unwavering merit, with relentless connection. This is how frustration turns to fire. This is how gnawing pain becomes breakthrough power. Don't just survive the system, remake it from the inside out. Because your greatest asset isn't your balance sheet. It's the fierce, undying human value no machine can replace, no metric can measure, and no crisis can destroy. Use that, build that, rule with that. The world is waiting. For those who know being efficient is nothing without being human.